Here, slide Harry next to Lucy.
Oh, one of Lucy's moments.
No.
What is that, Harry?
Applesauce napkin.
Mom and Dad.
Harry, what's my name?
Danny.
Lucy, what's my name?
Yo.
Yo? What's my name?
Say, yo, daddy, yo, daddy, yo.
Danny. Yo, Daddy.
What's my real name?
Booty mustache.
Lucy, what's in your hand?
You gotta get your hands washed first.
He needs a whole body wash.
Do we need to just throw y'all in the tub? In a minute. Chill. Hands. Feet. I'm just kidding. You're actually not too bad. Your sister, on the other hand. Oh. What? It just fell over.